Good afternoon. Today I will be showing you how to find area of a rectangle by using the distributive property. So I'm going to start with making a rectangle with it broken into two pieces. So let's start with a rectangle that looks like this. I am going to go ahead and make it a grid because it'll be easier to find the total area by making it a grid. And then I'll divide it using another color. Now, the distributive property, if you remember me talking to you about that earlier, means that I can take a whole number and break it into two smaller numbers and then multiply it by a certain number. Okay. Alright, so right now I have the problem 8 times 7. Okay, so if I wanted to find the area, I could by just doing area equals length times width of that, but of 8 times 7. But I want to make this into a simpler problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase the 8 and erase the 7 and erase that, and I'm going to break this into two different shapes. Let me change the color real quick. Sorry, I'm having some issues with this. Trying to figure out the colors. Alright, here we go. Alright, so let's say I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to break it down right there. So now, instead of having 8 times 7, I now have a problem that is broken into two. So I have 1, 2, 3 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 going down. And then in the other color, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 still going down. Alright, so now I have my purple, and if you notice, these two numbers right here, 3 and 5, equal the 8. Okay? Alright, so now I'm going to do my formula for the purple of 3 times 7. So remember, I have area equals length times width. Area is 3 times 7, which equals 21. Now I need to find the area for the green side. So now I have area equals length times width, which is 5 times 7. Okay, and now I have, that is 35. Now, if I wanted to use this, we're going to have, this would be in parentheses for the distributive property, and so would this. And it would look like this written on the bottom, 3 times 7 and 5 times 7 with plus in the middle. All right, and again, the 3 and the 5 equal 8. So now I take my 21 and my 35. So 21 plus 35, and that is 56 square units. And if you want to know, over here, 8 times 7 is 56. So I just broke down a large rectangle into 2 smaller rectangles and found the area by using the distributive property.